Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing more scalping today with the FlowPro bot on the ATAS trading platform. Now we are in a healthy uptrend and I'm going to switch it to both just the armed longs and the shorts, and we get filled into long. So here's the first trade of the session. Hopefully we can win this one, and this is quite high up in the move, so this was actually not a clever entry. Because the price already really overbought, and in low time frames like this there's always a pullback, and we actually have liquidity catchers right up here, as you can see. So we actually might lose this, as I regard this indicator quite highly. I like the liquidity catcher, it's quite correct most of the time, but we are in the green at the moment, so that's a good sign. But yeah, I've paired the bot today with the liquidity catcher indicator and the trap traders indicator. That's a new indicator that we've just released, guys, also completely free. And we just get stopped out here. Yeah, I saw that coming. I mean, we got the liquidity catcher is just a limit order. So you see the little red squares up there, that's just these squares. They're just showing you that there's a lot of limit orders up here, bearish limit orders, and price went down. So yeah, probably not clever to arm the bot on both there in that scenario, but we started off with a loss. We can try and recover this, it's not too bad. If I get into like a little streak of losses, sometimes I just stop trading and wait for another time to trade and kind of look for the right volumes. I like to trade the market when the volumes are quite high. When the volumes are very low, this can really affect the strategy and the accuracy of the bot. If you're trading a range in market that has very low volume, more often than not you're going to get false signals, because it's hard to predict the market when the market is just going sideways. When there's a significant and dominant trend, that's when you want to trade, right? So the way I like to trade is trading in high volume scenarios where there is a predominant trend. So if there's an uptrend, I like to go in on the longs. Plus, I like to pair up the bot with support and indicators. I think it's quite important to use other tools to help you as much as possible to learn where the market is going, what direction it might go next, and just to get the overall market sentiment. So that's why I'm using two indicators here that I really like. The trap traders we just released, it's quite good. You can see where the trap sellers are, where the trap buyers are, and it gives you a really good insight into where price is going. So right now we are kind of pulling back in this uptrend. So as you can see there, that little maroon line, that is a trapped seller, and that's just signifying that there's a lot of market sales at that level that did not push the price down. The price actually went up, so they're essentially trapped until price returns to that level. It's not 100% accurate, but it's very good. If you check out the video that we released on this indicator, you'll see that the signals are quite good, and it can definitely help you, especially at critical levels. Another thing I look out for is significant key levels in the market. So if there's a strong support zone or a strong resistance zone somewhere, I'm always going to keep that in mind. So if price is reaching that zone, I'm going to be like, right, if it's a resistance zone, why would I go long at a resistance zone? It doesn't make sense. And you see this yellow line right here? This is a trapped buyer. So it's not just one buyer. I mean, these are just significant and a large amount of trades that are just getting trapped because they did not push the price up. It was huge market buys that did not push the price up. And as you can see, look at that reaction, price is going down. So that's a great signal right there. And we didn't get filled just yet. But yeah, a lot of volumes is pumping in right now. That's what I like to see. And there's a level here, this support level, market, the trapped sellers level. We actually get shorted here. This is, again, not ideal because price just reacted at that support zone. We might get stopped out here. Yeah, you can use these trap sellers, trap buyer levels for support and resistance. As you can see there, that the trapped seller level, the little purple line going across, it caused a reaction on that candle. You know, it was going down and then it kind of soaked it back up and left that really long low wick. So that's clearly a reaction at that level. So price is going up and we got filled short, which is not ideal, but we might still win this one as it's not over yet. As you can see there, we got liquidity catcher and trap buyers as well, so hopefully we can wait for this one to go down. We can win this one too. So the key is to win more trades than you lose, and I'm actually using a 1.2 risk to reward ratio here, meaning that the losses are slightly smaller in size than the wins. If you guys are using the spot, please use a positive risk to reward ratio. You want to have your wins to be at least as big as your losses. If your losses are bigger than your wins, it's just not ideal. It's not an optimal way to trade, and I wouldn't recommend it. So we are still in this trade. My confidence is not too high with this one, but as I say that, we are in the green. So I'm not sure how many trades I'm going to take. For me personally, I like to target 1000 USDT as my profit target for the day or for the session. That's what I like to set as my target. So okay, we're going down nicely. Now we need to bear in mind that this is a macro uptrend. If you zoom out, you'll see that we are moving up in the medium term. So on a low time frame, this could just be the pullback, and I need to have that in mind, right? So get more liquidity catchers there. You see these red squares? So these are good. We're very close to our take profit, but not quite hitting it just yet. So as I'm trading this, I always want to look for signs where price may reverse. And you know, if your trade is sometimes not winning, you can exit that trade, like right here. Okay, we get another trapped buyer, so the confidence is a little bit better now. We're very close to that take profit level. We can recover that loss. That would be fantastic. Okay, a lot of volume just came in and a liquidity catcher. Okay, I'm going to exit this trade because there seems to be a level there that the price is just not breaking, and we get liquidity catcher, which is telling us that there's bullish limit orders right at that level down there. And like I said, I really like this indicator. It's quite good, and it's not usually wrong. So I got out of that trade just to minimize my losses because I'm not sure if this is gonna win. Look, we're back to our entry, and it looks like it might have actually stopped us out. So I think that was a good decision. Yeah, so that trade would have stopped us out, but I got out early because of that liquidity catcher. These support indicators can give you a insight into where price is going. So if your trade is actually winning, but there's the supporting indicators are telling you that price is going to reverse, you need to be careful and make a decision whether you want to stay in that trade or exit. So with the FlowPro bot, you can just press the close button and it's going to close your position. It's going to close your position out, and you're minimizing your risk that way. Okay, moving up nicely here. Just that liquidity catcher that we spoke about earlier, you know, resulted in this move. So a lot of limit orders pushed this price up, followed by a lot of market orders. Okay, we get filled into another long. Again, this is high up in the price. When price is overbought, it's not always ideal to go long, but I'm just trusting the bot on this one, and we actually win that one very quickly. Well, a lot of volumes just come in. Look at that. So take profit would have been nice if I set it a lot higher, but you know, you can never predict these things. Now we are dumping. So let's see, we get filled short. So the bot is detecting bearish pressure now. It looks like we might win this one too. And we do. Okay, 2 quick wins there. That's fantastic. We've recovered that loss that we've had. And now we are up $467 on the session. Great stuff.
Order placed.
We actually get filled short again with a trapped buyer. This is really good. I love these signals because you have two sources telling you that the price has gone down now. Oh, and more trap buyers right there as well. So this is telling you that there is a lot of market buyers that are getting trapped now in these candles, and the FlowPro bot is detecting selling pressure. These are very strong confluence signals that can give you an insight that price gone down. So moving down, looks like we might win this one too. So big pump and dump. Looks like price is pulling back once again.
Order cancelled.
And we're going to win that one. Beautiful stuff. So yeah, as you can see, the trap traders indicator is quite good. Okay, we get filled into another long. Mixture of longs and shorts in this session. And we are up nicely, so let's see where we go with this one. We've had our pullback. Maybe now this is the next move up to make the new highs, hopefully. Moving up into the green. No reaction at the trapped buyer level, is there? A little bit of a reaction. So as you can see, okay, seller, the buyers are too strong here. They're gonna win that one. Okay, great. Let's see if we can get maybe one more trade. I'm already happy with the P&L.
Order placed.
Oh, we got filled immediately. Okay. Okay, that's a little unfortunate. Are we gonna lose this one? Getting quite close to that stop loss level, so we may take the L here, but
Order cancelled.
okay, we get stopped there, but it's okay. We won a good few trades. I'm gonna take 2 losses on this one, but we'll call it there because we are up 881 USDT. That is a good session. So we'll just stop here and call it a day. So if you guys enjoyed, please like and comment, and I will see you in the next one.